Assalamualaikum. Dear friends, today in this video I am going to tell you how to make Windows 7 neat and professional. So you can also do these steps in Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. And all these applications are under 100 MB. So without wasting your further precious time, let's get to the video. So friends, let's upgrade your wallpaper. Go to my description box and install VIPINGS. So basically it provides you live backgrounds and 3D wallpapers. So you can also import your own montages or any video which you want. You can also import those. So now it's time to upgrade your mouse pointer. So go to my description box again and go to the website which I have linked in the description box. So that's a website which provides you animated and thousands of mouse pointers or cursors. So choose anyone and the cursor which you like the most and download it and cut it from downloads folder and go to Windows and go to disk C and go to Windows folder and go to cursors folder and then paste it over there. After pasting it there, close that folder and go to left and click on left mouse and go to personalized folder and click on choose mouse pointer, and then a pop-up will show. Then click on browse and then choose your mouse pointer where you have saved it, and then the animated mouse will be visible on your cursor. So now at the last time and the last step, we will change our Windows 7 task bar or menu icon. So for that, go to my description box and install the application I have linked, and then when you have installed the application, just extract that and run that as administrator and then click on choose and change start button. So click on that and choose any of your mouse pointer, a skull, choose any of your start button. It provides you thousands of start button icons like skull and anything. I will choose this one, and after choosing it, click on apply, and it icon which you have chosen, which will be visible on the desktop, and the Windows Classic icon will be changed. So as I told you, all of this setup is done under 100 MB, and hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.